How to fix Wi-Fi denied access problem. So now let's just get started. First things first, just go to your settings. Now the first thing you might want to try is turning off and turning on your Wi-Fi. After you do that, if you still face the same problem, what you can do is turn on and turn off your airplane mode too. After doing all of those, if nothing works, go to general, scroll down. Now there you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Tap on reset, and there you will see reset network settings. So just tap on reset network settings and then reset all of your network settings, and after doing so your problem should get fixed. Now what you might also want to try is just go to your Wi-Fi, tap on this plus icon, and then forget this network and rejoin this network again. After doing all of this, your problem will get fixed and you're good to go. So this is how you solve Wi-Fi denied access problem, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.